Hey, welcome to my channel Health Nutrition Station. Let's start. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and the foods you eat play a significant role in supporting gut health. Here are some of the best foods for promoting a healthy gut. 1. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health by maintaining a healthy balance of microbiota. Yogurt. Look for yogurt with live and active cultures. It's rich in probiotics that help balance the gut flora. Kefir, a fermented milk drink with more strains of beneficial bacteria than yogurt. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage packed with probiotics. Kimchi, a Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, often including chili peppers, garlic, and ginger. Kombucha, a fermented tea drink that is rich in probiotics. Miso, a fermented soybean paste used in soups and sauces. Tempeh, a fermented soybean product, rich in protein and probiotics. 2. Prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are a type of fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting their growth and activity. Prebiotic foods include bananas, especially slightly green ones, which contain resistant starch. Garlic contains inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber. Onions, rich in inulin and other prebiotics. Leeks, a member of the allium family, containing prebiotics that support beneficial bacteria. Asparagus, a good source of inulin and fiber. Chicory root, often used as a fiber supplement, it's high in inulin. Apples, contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Jerusalem artichokes, known as sunchokes, they are high in inulin. Whole grains, oats, barley, and quinoa are high in fiber and support healthy digestion. 3. High-fiber foods. Fiber is essential for digestion and for maintaining regular bowel movements. It also feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Good sources of fiber include legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, beans, and peas are rich in fiber and prebiotics. Whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, barley, and oats. Fruits and vegetables. Berries, apples, carrots, and leafy greens. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are good sources of fiber. 4. Bone broth. Bone broth contains collagen and amino acids like glutamine that support gut health by strengthening the lining of the digestive tract. It may also help with leaky gut syndrome. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in certain fish and plant-based foods, are anti-inflammatory and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. Flax seeds. Ground flax seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3s. Chia seeds, another plant-based omega-3 source. Walnuts, rich in healthy fats and fiber. 6. Polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenol are plant compounds that have antioxidant properties and can promote the growth of good gut bacteria. Foods high in polyphenol include berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Green tea, rich in antioxidants called catechins. Dark chocolate. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. Olives and olive oil, rich in polyphenol and healthy fats. Red wine, in moderation, contains polyphenols such as resveratrol, which may support gut health. 7. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the digestive system and improve gut motility. It's also known to alleviate nausea and support digestion. 8. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation in the gut and improve digestion. Pair it with black pepper for better absorption. 9. Apples and pears. Both apples and pears are rich in soluble fiber, pectin, which helps keep the digestive system running smoothly and supports the growth of good bacteria in the gut. 10. Aloe vera. Aloe vera juice or gel is often used to soothe the digestive tract. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and gut-healing properties. Foods to avoid for gut health. While some foods support gut health, others may disrupt it. It's a good idea to limit or avoid processed foods, high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives that can disrupt gut bacteria. Refined carbs, white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks can feed bad bacteria and negatively impact gut health. Excessive alcohol can harm the gut lining and lead to imbalances in gut microbiota. Artificial sweeteners. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may disrupt gut bacteria and digestive function. By eating a balanced, fiber-rich, and diverse diet, you can support the health and diversity of your gut microbiome, which plays a key role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, like, share, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.